Hello everyone, welcome again. Now here we will see few problems. Find the mean of the following distribution. We have given number and we have given frequency. So we will first tabulate it. Here we make one column of X. So here in this column we have 5, 10, or better I will use 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. If they have not mentioned any method, then better use direct method. Okay, if the data is small. If data is big, then you can use shortcut method or step deviation method, or in your problem they will mention that which method you have to use. Okay, so second column is for frequency and third column is for frequency into X. Okay, so in second column frequency is given here 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, 2 and 1. Now we multiply it, so 5 into 1 we will get 5, 10 into 2 we get 20, 15 into 5 75, 20 into 6 120, 25 into 3 we get 75, and 30 into 2 we get 60, and 35 into 1 we get 35. So this is fx. Now here first we find the value of summation of f. So summation of f is equals to frequency 1 plus 2 3, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 3 14 plus 3 17, 17 plus this 3 20. So this total frequency is 20, and here we add 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. So 2 carry, 2 plus 2 4, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 2 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 7, 13 plus 7 20, 20 plus this 9 29. Now 2 carry, 2 plus 1 it is 3. Okay, now here I have made a mistake. This is actually f into x, summation of fx. Summation of fx is 390. Now I should write this fx in such a way that below unit place there should be unit value of other number, and between 10th place there should be 10th value. So then it will be easy for you to do the sum. Okay, so now we have sum of f. Sum of f is 20, and we have sum of f into x, which is 390. So therefore we say that mean. Now the formula for mean is sum of fx divided by sum of f. So sum of fx it is 390 divided by sum of f it is 20. So 390 upon 20. So this 0 and this 0 we will cancel. Now 2 ones are 2, 1 3, 19, 2 9s are 18, 1 and 2 5s are. So mean, we got mean as 19.5. This is our mean. Mean is equals to 19.5, right? This is question number 6 in your book. Now let us see the question number 7. I hope you got it, how we have to solve this question. Simple question. Okay, now move to this question number 7. The content of 100 matches were checked to determine the number of matches they contained. The contents of 100 matches. Now contents of 100 matches means if you see the contents of 100 match boxes. Okay, 100 match boxes were checked to determine the number of matches they contains. So 6 boxes they contain 35 matches, 10 box contains 36 matches, 18 box contains 37, and so on. Now we have to calculate, correct to one decimal place, the mean number of matches per box. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find mean of matches, mean of this matches. So you first understand whose mean you wanted to find. That is your x value. Determine how many extra matches would have been added to the total content of 100 boxes to bring the mean up to exactly 39 matches. Okay, then we have to determine how many extra matches would have to be added to the total content. Fine. Okay, so here we have first column, we have a column of x. So here the value of x is 35, 36, 37, 38. Okay, 35, 36, 37, 38 in sequential order. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay. Then for frequency, its frequency is given 6, 10, 18, 25, 21, 12 and 8. Now once again read the question. The contents of 100 match boxes were checked to determine the number of matches they contain. So in 6 match boxes, number of boxes, in 6 match boxes we have 35 matches per box. In 10 match boxes we have 36 matches per box. Okay, so this is what they have given. So we have to check what is the mean number of matches in each box. Okay, so now what we will do, in the third column we will find f into x. What is f into x? Now here product is little difficult, not that difficult, but okay. Now 6 into 35, so 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, and 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 21, so it is 210. Then 36 into 10, it is 360. 37 into 18, so here 37 multiplied by 18, 8 7s are 56, 5, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 5, 29, 1 into 7, it is 7, 1 into 3, it is 3. So 6, 6 and 6. So this is 6, 6, 6. Now 38 into 25. Now 25 8s are 25 8s are 24 4s are 100. 25 4s are 100. 25 8s are 200. So you put 1 0, 20 carry. 25 3s are 75. 75 plus 20, 95. So it is 950. Then 21 into 39. So 39 we multiply by 21. So 1 into 9 1 into 9 9, 1 into 3 it is 3, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6 1 7. So this is 9, 8 plus 3 11, and this is 8, 819. So this next value is 819. Now 40 into 12. So 12 for the 48. So you write 48 and 1 0. And here 41 into 8. So 8 1s are 8. And 8 for the 32. So 328. So this is summation of f into x. Now what is your next step? Next step is find out the total of frequency. Now the total of frequency here, it is summation of f will be 100, because in problem it is mentioned that content of 100 match boxes. So you take sum, it will be 100. You can see 12 plus 8, it is 20. 20 plus 20, it is 40. 40 plus 20, 60, and this is 66. 66, and here 66, and here 18 plus 6, 18 plus 6, 24. This is 34. 66 plus 34, it will give you 100. Okay, now here 0, this is 6 plus 9 plus 8, so 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 23. So summation of fx, we get 23. So I will write 3, 2 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 21, 29, 29 and 2, 29 plus 2, 31. So I will write 1 and 3 carry, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 9, 23, 23 plus 8, 31, 31 plus 4, 35, 35 plus 3, 38. So summation of fx, we got 3813. So here summation of f is 100 and summation of fx is 3813. Now you should do 2 times sum to make sure that whatever values you are getting is perfect. So now the formula for mean is equals to summation of fx upon summation of f, that is 3813 divided by 100. So this will become 38.13. Okay, now the first problem we have done, calculate the correct to 1 decimal place the mean number. Okay, so 1 decimal place, so here you will write 38.1 only. Okay, determine how many extra matches would have to be added to the total content of 100 matches to bring the mean up to exactly 39 matches. Now this is first part. Now in second part, for second part I will say that let we add x matches to make mean as 39. So that means, so therefore I want mean as 39. So mean is equals to summation of fx. So here the summation of fx, what sum we have, it is 3813. So it is, this is equals to 3813 plus x and divided by 100. Okay, so therefore this 100 will multiply here, so it will become 3900. It is equals to 3813 plus x. So therefore from here we get the value of x. X is equals to 3900 minus 3813. So 10 minus 3, 7. We have carried from 9, so it will become 10, it will become 8. You know how to subtract. So 10 minus 3, it is 7, 9 minus 1, 8, then here it is 8, 8 minus 8, we have 0, and 3 minus 3, 0. So that means 87 matches we will add to make the mean as 39. Okay, so this is the problem. Simple. Now the next question, question number 8, calculate the mean of the following distribution. We have to calculate mean of the following distribution. Okay, so you try, you solve the problem and then check the answer with me. Value of x, we have 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 and 120. This is the value of x. Now frequency f is given 2, 6, 13, 22, 24, 10 and 3. This is frequency. Third column is f into x. So 2 into 6, this is 120. 6 into 7, this is 420. Now 8 in 13 8 the or 8 3 the 24. I will write 0, 24 4 to carry, and 8 1 the 8 plus 2 10. So 104 0 1 0 4 0. Then 19 to 22. So again I will write 0 at unit place. Then 9 to the 18 and 9 to the 18 plus 1 19. Then 100. So it is 2400. Then 110. So it is 1100. And then 12 3 the 36. So 36 360. It is 360 only. Okay. So we will write 360 here. Now question was calculate the mean of the following distribution. So they have not given what is sum of f and what is the sum of fx. So I will draw one line here. It is sum of frequency. So here 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 7, it is 20. So 2. Then 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. So this total is 80. Here it is at unit place we have 0. Then at tens place 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 6, 16 plus 6 it is 22. Then 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 9 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 4 24. Then 2 at 1000 place we have 2. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 7420. This is sum. So here we have sum of frequency as 80 and we have sum of fx as 7420. So therefore I will say therefore mean is equals to summation of fx upon summation of f. So this is equals to 7420 divided by 80. So this 0 0 will cancel and with 8 we will calculate. So first we cancel with 4, means this 42 is divisible by 4. So directly we can cancel with 4. So 4 1 the 4, 3 34, 4 8 the no, it is not cancelling with 4. Okay, so let us cancel with 2 only. So 2 3 is 6, 1 7, 1 and 4 14, 2 7 is 14 and 2 1 the 2, then 2 4 the 8. Now with 4, so 4 9 is 36, 1 37, 11, 4 2 is 8 and 3 11. So 30, 4 7 is 28, 2 20, 4 5 is 20, 92.75. So 92.75 is the required mean. Calculate the mean of the following distribution. So this is the answer. Therefore you can write mean is equals to 92.75. Now symbolically, if these are the values of x, then value of mean is also written as x bar. So x bar, if you see this symbol, this also mean that we are talking about mean only. Okay, if you see x bar, we are talking about mean, right? Okay, so now let us move to ninth question. So here this ninth problem, we have category A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and wages are given and number of worker is given. We have to calculate the mean wage. So you have to find the mean of wage. So your wage is X. So here I will write X column, and in X column we have value as 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 110. 100 and 110. Okay, this is X. Now frequency F, we have 2, 4, 8, 12, 10, 6 and 8. And last column is F into X. So 2 5s are 10. So here we have 100. Then 6 4s are 24. So here we have 240. 7 8s are 56. 12 8s are 96. 9 10s are 90. So this is 900. This is 100 into 6, 600. And 11 8s are 88. So 880. Okay. Now here total, here 4 plus 2 6, have they mentioned? Nothing mentioned. Okay, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 6 16 plus 6 22, 22 plus 8 30, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5. So this total is 50. And here total, this is 0, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 8, so 16 plus 4 20, 24. 2 carry, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 9 19, 10 plus 9 19, 19 plus 1 20, 28, 28 plus 6 28, 34, 34 plus 8 42. Okay, now calculate again to make sure. This is 0, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 8 24, 2 carry, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus this is 18, 10 plus 18, so 18 28, 28 then 28 plus 2 30, 34, 34 plus 8 42. Okay, correct. So we get summation of F as 50 and summation of Fx as 4240. Therefore mean, the formula for mean is summation of Fx upon summation of x. So this is equals to, now 4240 divided by 50. This 0 0 we cancel, and then 5 8 the 40, 2 24, 5 4 the 20, then 4 40, 5 8 the 40. So this is mean. So your mean is 84.8, right? So calculate the mean wage corrected to the nearest rupee. This is the mean wage. If the number of worker in each category is doubled, what would be the new mean of wage? Now if we double, okay, if we double the value of x, then what will happen? The summation will also double. Now as the summation will double, mean will double. So as we double each value, then total sum will also double. Therefore mean will also double. Therefore your new mean, we can say that new mean will be equal to, we double it, so 2 8 is 16, 1 carry, 2 4 is 8 plus 1 9, and 2 8 is 16. So this is 169.6. So new mean will be 169.6. Yes, this is the new mean. So this is answer for second problem. Okay. So this is our question number 9. Now let us move to question 10. Now the 10th problem. If the mean of the following distribution is 7.5, find the missing frequency. So we have given the value of mean and one frequency is unknown that we have to find out. So again, what we do, first we make the column like x, the value of x is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And the value of frequency is 20, 17, F, 10, 8, 6, 7 and 6. Then we make a column of f into x. So 25 this is 100, 17 6 so 6 7 42, 4 carry, 6 1 6, 6 plus 4 10. Then 7 into f you will get 7f, 10 into 8 you will get 80, 9 into 8 you will get 72, 10 into 6 60, 11 into 7 77, 12 into 6 72. Okay, now we will take the total. Here 7 plus 8, so 8 8 7 7, 14 plus 1 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 7 28, 28 plus 6 28 plus 6 34. So you write 4, 3 carry, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. So 74 plus f, this is frequency, and fx. Okay, actually I should keep some gap between them, right? Okay, here it is 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 2 13. Then 1 carry, so 7 here 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 6 22, 22 plus 7 29, then 36. So 6 3 carry, so 3 3 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. So this is 5 563, and plus here we have 7f. Okay, so this is fx. Now we know here actually sum of f we get 74 plus f, and sum of f into x we got in place of, as here also we are using f, so better here in place of small f what we do, we use capital F. So this is frequency, capital F into x. So this is sum of capital F, and this is sum of capital F into x. And this capital F into x, the total is 563 plus 563 plus 7f. Now we use the formula for mean. Mean is sum of this fx divided by sum of this f. So therefore now in our problem mean is mentioned, it is 7.5. So we say that 7.5 is equals to 563 plus 7f divided by 74 plus f. So therefore I will get 7.5 multiplied by 74 plus f is equals to 563 plus this 7f. So therefore 7.5 into 74. Okay, so here let us do the calculation. 7.5 and 74. So 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28 plus 2 30, then 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 3 52. So this is 0, this is 5, this is 5 and this is 5. Okay, so 5 5 5. What we got? We got 5 5 5 plus 7.5 into f, we get 7.5 into f. This is equals to 563 plus 7f. So therefore now 7.5f minus 7f will be equal to 563 minus 555. So therefore here we get 0.5f, and here 13 minus 5 we get 8. Now 5 minus 5 we get 0 and 0. So 0.5 f is equals to 8. So therefore f is equals to 8 upon 0.5 is equals to, now if I multiply by 2 I will get 16 here, and 2 into 0.5 is 1. So the frequency f is unknown frequency is 16. So f is 16. So our question is to find value of f. So this is f is equals to 16. Okay, this is 10th problem. Now let us see the last one. Now here in 11th problem, marks obtained by 40 students in a short assessment is given below, where A and B are two missing data. A and B, this A and B, these are two missing data. If the mean of distribution is 7.2, we have to find A and B. Okay, so marks is given, means here 40 students. So let us write first data. Sum of total frequency is given 40, and what else? If the mean of distribution, and second mean is also given. Mean is 7.2, and we have to find the value of NB. Okay, so here first write the values of x. It is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is x. Then value of frequency. Frequency is 6, A, 16, 13 and B. This is frequency. Then we have f into x. So 5 6 are 30, 6 into A, it is 6A, 16 7s are, so 7 6 are 42, 2, 4, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 4, 11, then 13 8s are, so 8 3s are 24, 2, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, then 9 into B, it is 9B. So here total is 6 plus 16, so 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 3 15, so 5, then 1 carry 1 2 and 3, this is 35 plus A plus B. This is your total frequency, right? And here total sum, this 3 0 0 plus 2 2 2 plus 4 6, so write 6 here. Then this is 9b, this is not 6, and this is 6a. Okay, so this is 6a and this is 9b, so you have to keep this aside, means I will write this as 6a plus 9b. Now here it is 4 plus 2 6, so 6 we have written. Then at 10th place this is 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 9 13, so 13 we write 3, then 1, then 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, so this is 3, 3 3 6 plus 6a plus 9b. So therefore what we get summation of f is equals to 35 plus a plus b. Okay, so therefore now summation of f we have 40, so I will say that this 40 is equals to 35 plus a plus b. So this will give us the value of a plus b. A plus b will be equal to 40 minus 35. So 40 minus 35 is 5. So the value of a plus b is equals to 5. So this is the value of a plus b. This is summation of f. Now I will consider this as equation 1. Now mean is given. Mean is summation of fx. This is summation of fx divided by summation of f. So mean, the value of mean is given 7.2. So we say 7.2 is equals to, it is 336 plus 6a plus 9b and whole divided by, now total frequency is 40, so we will write 40 simply. Therefore now 7.2 into 40, 7.2 into 4040 will be equal to, here it is 336 plus 6a plus 9b. So here 7.2 into 40 is same as 72 into 4. So 4 to the 8 and 4 7 the 28. This is equals to, it is 336 my mistake, I think this calculation 336 is not correct, because if mean is 7.2, if mean is 7.2 and this is 4040, so 40 into 7 near about 28 to 288, so this should be less than this 288. Okay, so let us again check where we done the mistake. I think I got it. Here it is 4 plus 2 6, then at this is 3 plus 1 4. Why I add this 9? I should not add this 9. This is 4 only, and this is 2. So this is 4, this is 2, 246. Okay, now this is okay, 246. Okay, so 246. Now you should know how I get the idea that this is not correct, because if this side, this total is less than this, then I will get either A or B negative, and which is not possible. Therefore I understood that some mistake I have done in calculation. So this is 246 plus 6a plus 9b. Now therefore here we can say that 6a plus 9b is equals to 288 minus 246. So 8 minus 6, 2, 8 minus 4 is 4, 2 minus 2 is 0. Now 3 I will take common. So when we take 3 common, it will be 2a plus 3b, and here it is 42. So therefore 2a plus 3b, it is 42 upon 3 is equals to 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are. So this is your second equation. Okay, so first equation and second equation. So therefore our first equation is a plus b is equals to 5. This is first equation, and second equation is 2a plus 3b, it is equals to 14. This is second equation. Okay, now if I multiply equation 1 by 2, okay, we have to solve this. So how we solve? At least one variable we will make the same coefficient. So multiply equation 1 by 2, equation 1 by 2. So what we get? We get 2a plus 2b is equals to 2 5s are 10. Okay, this is third equation. Now subtract equation 3 from equation 2. Subtract equation 3 from 2. So 2a plus 3b, this is equation 2, it is equals to 14, and 2a plus 2b equal to 10. This is equation 3. I will subtract it. So this is minus, this is minus, and this is minus. Now 2a minus 2a cancel, 3b minus 2b, I will get b, and 14 minus 10, I will get 4. So value of b is 4. Okay, so value of b is 4. Now put b is equals to 4 in equation, put b is equals to 4 in equation, and equation 1 say, put b is equals to 4 in equation 1. So equation 1 is a plus b is equals to 5. So a plus 4 is equals to 5. So therefore I will get a is equals to 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. So therefore you get a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 4. Okay, so here we have solved all the problems using direct method. Okay, you could have used shortcut method at one or two places. Okay, it's your choice. Okay, right. So in the next class we will discuss how to find mean of the grouped frequency distribution. Okay, thank you.